All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So highly, yes, highly. Quite likely to happen, quite likely to happen. Something very much so, very much so. It is highly toxic. Yeah, highly toxic. Yeah, highly dangerous. Highly dangerous, yeah. It is highly unsafe. Yeah. We think that is highly unlikely. Oh, unlikely. Yeah, unlikely, yeah. Yeah. She knows it is highly dangerous. Not a good idea to do. No way. They see the highly righteous path. They take the highly safe path. We took the highly recommended path. We want the highly tested tools. Yeah, I'm using a highly sensitive piece of equipment. Be careful with it. Be careful with it. It is highly tuned to certain frequencies. Yeah. Oops. Yes. They'll be reading a highly controversial book. Very controversial. Yeah, it is a highly controversial book. So you have to be careful with it. Yeah, careful. Highly controversial. Yeah, that is a highly contaminated sample. Doesn't work. No way. Highly contaminated. So, yeah, highly toxic, highly dangerous, highly unsafe, highly recommended, highly unrecommended. No. Yeah. So, can you use highly in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.